Kitty kiss.
Hello children, today we are going to learn the sound and the vocabulary of letter J. J says J. J says
Ja.
J J J J J.
Ja 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 ja.
It is a capital J. It is a lowercase j. Now let's start the vocabulary of J. J for jug, j j j j jug.
J for jug. Ja 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 jug.
Jug is a container commonly used to hold liquids. J for jeep, j j j j jeep.
J for jeep. Ja 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 jeep.
Jeep is a type of road transport. J for jam, j j j j jam.
J for jam. Ja 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 jam.
Children love to eat jam. J for juice, j j j j juice.
J for juice. Ja 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 juice.
Juice is a healthy drink. J for jacket, j j j j jacket.
J for jacket. Ja 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 jacket.
We wear jackets in the winter. J for jewelry, j j j j jewelry.
J for jewelry. Ja 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 jewelry.
Women love to wear jewelry. J for jump, j j j j jump.
J for jump. Ja 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 jump.
Monkeys jump from one place to another. J for jelly, j j j j jelly.
J for jelly. Ja 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 jelly.
Children also loves to eat yummy jelly. J for jet, j j j j jet.
J for jet. Ja 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 jet.
Jet is a type of airplane that can rapidly travel long distances. Thank you.
Thank you.